Okay, this video is, this is my sink faucet. My sink is filthy. But anyways, I wanted to show you a video of how I've had to do laundry because I don't have a normal washer and dryer hookup. So there is this bit, and it's an adapter to because this is just a regular kitchen sink fitting. And then you too have to be careful. Well, because see, the thing is, this is a universal bit. You can either, now see my thing right here is on the outside, okay? And there is a difference. The fitting, for mine will go on the outside. But there's also the fittings that actually are actually inside this part. So this is a universal fitting. And see, this would go on the inside of this little thing. Let me see if I can show you this. See, this part would go on the inside. If that was the case. But mine is actually an outie, if you will. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this on. And I'm doing this one-handed here, so please bear with me. Okay, and I just hand tightened that. I'll check it. So for now, there's that. Then I bought a Y. I know, YSY. And that is, oops, sorry about that. And that is this piece. And then you're just going to want to screw this. Because what this is, the Y, it's, actually you could use it outside. I think that's what it's meant for, this Y. For a regular hose fitting. So you're just going to want to screw that on. Come on. It's kind of weird trying to do this. One-handed, see? Okay, let's try it again. Okay, here we go. And to just kind of get it tight on there. Make sure it's not leaking here. Because what it'll do is it'll just start spraying out everywhere. I've done it, sadly. Then you're going to take your hot and your cold hook up to this thing here. This Y. It's from the washing machine. Kind of get that on there like that. And then just pull this over. Oh, you have to be careful. I got the cord. This is also where I run my dishwasher. It's sad. Let me see if I can get this. Okay. Not too bad for one-handed job here. You don't want to kink. There we go. And it's not supposed to kink. But I'm just trying to do this. This should be okay. Let's see. Nope, see, there's something loose now. Now, if it's running like that, that's not a good fitting. It's not a good seal. So I'm going to bring you back in just a minute, and I will fix that. Okay, and this is how I have it set up. I've already washed the load, and I let it wring out. But I will show you how this is. So that way you know. And the water is on it, so it's not spraying. I just had to tighten it, and I needed 2 hands to tighten it down. I couldn't film and tighten it. So I will show you me operating this and showing you that it will drain as well. I'll just do kind of like a rinse and a spin cycle. Okay, I'm going to do a rinse And these are my towels. So see, there it goes. So you know it works. So you know it's working. In this case, you can't see it coming out. I can see it, but I don't know if you'll be able to see it. And then I'll stop it. I don't normally stop it because these have already been washed and rinsed. I'll just stop it. Oops. And we'll put it on spin. Use my dirty towels off here to get through here. And there it goes. And that is gross. But it used to be, it's old. My washing machine is old. But it used to be hooked up into an ordinary thing. The grossest thing, I think, when I found out that I could do this, was actually watching the water. After you've washed them and it goes into the rinse cycle and then to the spin out, how actually dirty your clothes are. I've seen that. There's been times I've washed my clothes 3-4 times till my water was clear. I couldn't take it. But anyway, that is how I've had to do laundry. Now my new house, I'll show you the new and improved situation. But yep, this is how this is. And just one more time. All it is an adapter right in here. And then you take this goes to an outside faucet hose thing. And that's how I was able to connect these connectors to connect my washer. Heck, if it works. And two, if I needed to spray anything, there's a sprayer. There you can see that. And that still works, which is great. So, yep, there's that. Pretty weird, pretty wild, and pretty crazy. And I have not ever seen anybody put a video up like this before. So I figured I would do this. Because when I searched YouTube, everybody was going underneath the counter in the sink and they were drilling holes in the side of cabinets, and it was, no, I'm not doing all that. That's just nutty crazy. So, yep, that's it. I want to thank you guys for watching this, and I was talking to someone else, one of my family members, during a live about this, and we ended up chatting for a really long time. And then I was telling him how I had to hook up my washer just to do laundry. When you got little ones, a washer is necessary, especially if they're still peeing and it goes through their bedding and all that. You don't want a house smelling like yuck. So anyways, I really want to thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm tired. You can hear it in my voice. I wasn't singing today. I'm just tired. Trying to pack, trying to get all this done. But I figured before I completely got done with everything and then unhooked everything from that faucet, the landlord pays the water. Ha ha ha. So yeah, he doesn't even know that I have a washer. Now how he doesn't know, I don't understand. Should reflect in his water bill. But that's what he gets anyways. Needless to say, I thank you. Each and every one of you, I thank you. I love you all to pieces. And I love that you support me when you do and when you can. And I'm not sure, I don't want to go through all the data on my phone. On the 31st, I get my keys. Yay! I'm so excited. So I don't know if I'm going to start moving what I can, like in the minivan. And I'm still having troubles with the U-Haul. Nothing I can do about it. I'll do the best I can with what I got. That's all I had when I moved down here, but I had next to nothing compared to what I have now. But anyhow, have a great night. Oh, I will not go live now. It's like 1:45, I want to say, on a Tuesday night. And I'm up doing laundry. Lauren's sleeping. Well, anyways, take care. Good night, guys. God bless, and I love each and every one of you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, and share this video. Maybe you just need this knowledge if you're just out there, or you know somebody that's out there that really needs to see something like this. You can even do this with the mini washers. I have one of those too, but that what I just hooked up was a full washing machine to my sink. Note of caution: double sinks tend to go, when they fill up with one side, they start seeping through instead of going straight down if you got yucky plumbing like there is here. So you're going to kind of have to watch it, because it can overflow and go all over your floor. I've had that happen. The apartment, this apartment is just a wreck. But it is what it is. I'll be getting something new, something different. So stay tuned. There'll be more videos to come, which leads me to, I'm going to try to see tomorrow if I could get Spectrum Charter, or Charter Spectrum, or however they want to call it down here, or up here. Actually, we're up compared to Mississippi. So I'll see when they can get my Wi-Fi and hooked and everything. I pay for my data. Not that you guys aren't worth my data. It's just expensive, and I'm just trying to cut every corner I can possibly, just to move especially. So anyways, take care. Good night. God bless, and I love yous.